Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your VenueApp's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your VenueApp's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your VenueApp application. The homepage of VenueApp application will appear on the screen. Click on Profile option at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Sign Up. Enter your name, email address and create a password for your VenueApp's account and click on Create Account option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can sign up for your VenueApp's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.